In today's video, we're looking at servicing and repairing these orange Unilab power supplies. We like them because they are very repairable. So to check they're working, it's easiest to use a 12 volts lamp. If you switch it on, it should come on both in the AC and DC sides. You might find that you can pick up some poor connections sometimes. That's either the lead or the socket, and that can be cleaned using contact cleaner. If the light didn't work, the first thing to check is the fuse. This is a 1 amp slow blow fuse. They're marked 1 amp with a T for timed, if you like. You can use a multimeter set to any of the resistance settings or the diode and beep to do a continuity check. So I know that fuse is okay. Beyond loose connections and fuses, you're going to have to dig a little bit deeper to find any issues. Only do this if you are competent and approved to do repairs. Open up mains equipment. I've unplugged that one. One common problem is this cable clamp at the back here tends to bite into the copper wires inside the cable, and you sometimes get an earth fail on the pat testing because the earth cable is broken. You sometimes get the power supply failing because one of the others have broken, and it's not visible until you